Hey guys, welcome back to Harmon Web Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redirect your WordPress site from HTTP to HTTPS. So in this video, there are two simple steps we are going to follow. The first one is to use plugin, and the second one is to type a simple code on your .htaccess file. So let's start with the first step. The first step, you have to go to plugins, then go to add new. Then you're going to install Really SSL plugin, really simple SSL. When you search for this plugin, you click on install now. Then click on activate. When you activate this plugin comes with launch wizard. So you don't need to do any manual configuration. You just need to click on this activate SSL. Then click on it again. This is going to activate SSL. You can see SSL has been activated, which means your HTTP will be redirected to HTTPS. So you can also check it. You can let me copy this URL. You can see this URL is from HTTP. So I'm going to check it by copying this URL. Then I'll come here, then I'll type it. I'm going to remove this S to check it. Now click enter. Now you can see it has been redirected to HTTPS. So this is the first step. Now the second step, before we go to the second step, I need to delete or deactivate this plugin. I'm going to deactivate and revert to HTTP. Another thing you need to know is that um, before you use this plugin, before you install this code, you should have installed SSL from your cPanel, because without installing SSL from your cPanel or buying SSL certificates for your domain, you cannot install WordPress. So now the next step is to install code on your .htaccess file. If you are using Harmon Web, you need to go to service when you log in, then you go to manage, then you go to file manager, but let me go to cPanel. This is going to log me automatically to my cPanel account. Now, if you want to install SSL certificate on your domain, you have to search for SSL status. When you search for SSL status, you click on it. Then you click on this to select both the domain and both the domain alias. Now then you click run SSL. Now, but you can see this is showing green, which means that SSL is already installed on these domains. So the next thing I need to do is go to file manager so that I will install that code on my .htaccess file. Then I'm going to go to public underscore HTML, because my WordPress was installed on this public underscore HTML. If your domain is the primary domain of your hosting, to be installed on public underscore HTML. But if you added another domain or subdomain, you will see the name of your domain right here. Then I'm going to right click on this .htaccess file and click on edit, then edit again. When I open my .htaccess file, now you can see we have some codes in the .htaccess file. You can see it right here. Now I'm going to install a particular code on this .htaccess file. You can follow this video or watch this video in order to copy the code. Now you can see the code. If mode rewrite this. Once you place this code on your .htaccess file, it's going to redirect your website from HTTP to HTTPS. I'm going to click on save changes. Then let's check the website again. I'm going to copy this URL right here. Okay, I'm going to come here, then I'll paste it. I'm going to remove this S. When I remove, I'm going to click on enter. Now you can see this website have been redirected back to HTTPS. So this is how to redirect your WordPress site from HTTP to HTTPS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.